Learn C# and .NET from industry experts. Microsoft's .NET framework is a family of coding tools and languages which can cope with almost any type of software development challenge. Whether you're creating a lightweight modern web app, deploying a massively distributed computation algorithm, or anything in between, there will be a .NET technology that meets your business needs. C# is the most popular programming language for building .NET enterprise software applications and services. Our hands-on C# training courses cover everything from basic syntax and language features, right up to advanced concepts and techniques for building robust and elegant solutions to complex software problems, incorporating best practices such as test-driven development and design patterns. We can help your development team learn to code with the latest C# language version. Create command-line applications using Visual Studio, and key features of the .NET Framework family, such as Link and Entity Framework. For front-end web application and API development, our ASP.NET Core MVC and WebAPI training courses will build upon your C# knowledge to give you practical experience in building commercial-quality web applications and services. You will learn by doing, guided by a domain expert with strong commercial software development and classroom experience. Get in touch today to find out how we can tailor a syllabus to match your project requirements and learning goals. Find out more at www.frameworktraining.co.uk.